are you going? We're back in Milan. Yay! I love Milan. Here's the Duomo. And we're just kind of chilling, waiting for my good friend Marta. Shout out to Marta. What up? Just been waiting for about 9 hours. You guys show me dog pictures. I've been waiting for like 9 hours. Because basically Marta's flight landed at now, about 9:30. And our flight landed at about 1:30. And we've just been walking around with our bags and getting bit by midges and just finding toilets and places we can use their Wi-Fi. We found Marta. And we're going to Lake Lugano, aren't we? How far's the drive?
Huh?
How far's the drive?
1 hour, 12 minutes.
It's going to be a good road trip. Lugano's in Switzerland. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yes, another.
We're in Switzerland. We're just going past the lake that we might jump in later, hopefully, but apparently it's frowned upon, so we can't. So we're going to the small town of Lugano instead. All got a Swiss chocolate. Marta, what have you got?
Swiss chocolate?
What chocolate? It's plain.
Yeah.
What have you got? I got some cornflake chocolate. I pushed the boat out.
Cornflake chocolate?
Yep.
If that's what pushes the boat out. Very limitly. What are you doing?
Just arrived into where are we? Dervio. Or Dervio for English people. And it's like a little beach / swimming bit in the lake. I've never been. It looks very nice so far. Oh, Grace has woke up. Document our memories forever.
It's like shake the...